Okay, my son and I want to unboxing Blackview, the newest smartphone from Blackview. This is Blackview R7. Please, could you open the box and we'll see what the inside of it. R7 is the newest product from Blackview. Okay. Oh, there's the smartphone. Okay.
Maybe wait, I'm gonna open it.
There. Okay, from the size it's just like Samsung or etc. But it's more thinner and slim. Could you can see there's a button for volume and what is it?
Power.
Okay, and then for the SIM card and transfer card, there's this. From this you can inside this. Okay, and what the others inside the box? Oh, it's a standard for charging. There's a cable and earphone and a little cable. What is it?
I don't know.
What did you use? Okay, there's a USB.
For this.
I think this is for power bank or something like transfer the data from the what you call it from a laptop into this device. Okay. Oh, there's a little box too. So could you open? This is the inside. There's an instruction. The instruction for Blackview, how to operate the device.
Menu key, home key, back key, speaker, charger USB port, microphone, receiver, handphone jack, front camera, and strength.
Okay, and then
Power adapter.
Oh, there's a key.
Yes,
The key is used for open the SIM. The SIM, there is this one. What's it? Oh, there's a tiny hole for open the
button.
SIM card. Okay, to open it. So there's the others. Here's the key to open. And then what else? There's there's a spare part for
It's the same.
glass. For the glass protector, glass protector. Perhaps this is okay. And
So let's open up.
yes, just close it first. For sure. Close it. And then
I close it first.
put it out. Put it on. Okay.
And
Yeah, then there is. Okay.
wait. And happen to this subject. Maybe this is gonna block.
Okay. Just put it out first, and then we next we see the inside of it. Okay.
Okay.
Power on.
Wait.
Blackview. Ding.
Okay, this is gonna take
Something. Okay. Put it on.
And the password is
Perhaps Z, perhaps?
C.
Maybe?
Yes.
That's correct. Okay. Ooh, Blackview. It's direct to home.
Yes, yes.
On screen side. On the screen, it's direct to home.
Okay.
Okay. No, don't pull it. Okay. So we can zoom it first. Okay. The setting. Where's the setting?
Setting
there
this
you
one.
go. This one.
Wi-Fi.
Okay. This Blackview. Okay. About the phone, we're gonna take a look. The phone status. There's an Android first. It's already the newest Android, Marshmallow. Okay, and then model number are 7. Android version is already on point. That's it. What you call it?
About
6. Android security patch level. The current version build number. The newest one. This product was built on 20
patch
month 7 2016.
bullet
It is a
number
very
R7
news.
Blackview 21/6/7/20.
Okay, next we're gonna test some what you call it?
Phone
And
camera or
the camera, perhaps.
camera
Just take a look.
and okay.
Zoom it.
Let's
Zoom it.
zoom.
There's no crack from the pixel. It's very sharp. You know that?
Yes.
Just zoom it into the max. There's no crack from the pixel. It is very accurate. Wow, it's so great. Okay, and then
Video.
Try it. Okay.
And
Save it and cut. Where's the cut?
okay, the cut is this one.
No.
And things
Here you go. In above. The
yes.
bottom is above.
Okay.
Okay. Move it again and then cut it. Done. Alright, it's safe. So we try to see. Could you turn the volume?
The phone.
Okay.
Okay. That's enough.
That's nice. Though it is done too much noisy.
Yes.
And what else? We got from
Facebook it is empty.
entity perhaps started device information. And then what else from this? No. The camera. Demonstrations. GPS, no, just this one. Okay.
Model Blackview Android Marshmallow. Display approx and handware MT6.
The resolution is 1080 and 1920 pixel. Okay, multi-touch, 5 points. The hardware is already used MT6755. Oh, this is the newest. And then internal storage they use 25. And what else? The real and supported 13 megapixel. Oh, that's why this is so sharp. Okay.
How many to
skip.
Wow.
Skip it. Skip. So let's go to outside again.
We have Google Play Store. This is still empty. Page.
And the newest one.
Mm. Twitter, Facebook. There's still empty apps.
Yeah, it's still empty. But let's take a look about the fastest route for the setting. And then what else? Smart gesture, security. We want to try.
Why is it so dark?
It's because this focus on this screen, the R7 screen.
Okay.
Oh, no. And then lock screen. Fingerprint. Oh, fingerprint. Confirm your pattern.
Okay, zit.
Add the fingerprint. Let's start.
Who's your friend?
This is okay. Try my print. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7,
and
8.
Okay, done.
Then let's
Try
power off. Let's try to power.
Let's try it. Power off. Then turn on. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
From this one,
Great.
let's pack it. And you see, there's a button in here.
Yes.
Oh, you can use to photo too.
Hmm.
Interesting.
And automatically, right?
Yes.
When you touch that sensor,
Yes. Maybe
it's
we off.
automatically.
No, because it's your hands. Come
Okay.
on.
Power it on first.
Okay, I'm touch. Okay, how about you?
Power on.
Yes.
Push the button.
And
Okay, and let's try. Ooh, and then. Ooh, yes.
you see the back which this Avengers.
Okay, I think that's all for now. And we'll see the review about a month or a week perhaps to how this thing works. Okay?
Yes. How
And-
much to buy this?
It's about $200 $300.
Dollars?
Dollars?
$300? No,
Dollars? Yeah.
$300. It's mean.
Mm-hmm.
It's mean.
Hey, there's a foot. Your foot. Put it out.
I-
Okay, see you again and for the next review. Okay?